Okay guys, I have got to share about Fundamental Face Wash because this is the best face wash that I've ever tried in my life. Like, I'm serious. Earthturns.com just has the best stuff. But okay, I'm so in love with this because, first of all, it's all natural. No chemicals whatsoever, and you guys know how I am. I love anything that's like all natural. But this is so amazing because it does not leave my skin dry, which I've actually had problems with before in the past with face washes. I don't know why, but this one, no dry skin whatsoever. It smells amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I could die just smelling that stuff. It's so good. It exfoliates with these actual apricot kernels, which is so cool. Like when you feel it against your skin, you're like, oh my gosh. And yeah, it's really amazing. Oh my goodness, guys. Can I tell you how much I love this face wash? It is, like, seriously, everything at earthturns.com is great, but this is my favorite, the Fundamental Face Wash. It just feels so good against your skin, and I've seriously started using it every single day since I bought it because I am so in love with it. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use it that much. I think you can, but even if you can't, I don't care because I love it and I have to use it and it's so great. So again, go to earthturns.com, get the Fundamental Face Wash. You guys will come back and thank me and say, oh my gosh, Michelle, you're the greatest. And I'll be like, yes, I know, thank you. The end.